Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we will cover resetting the password for the administrator user. The first time you launch Burp Suite Enterprise Edition, you are prompted to set a password for the initial administrator user so that you can log in and complete the setup process. If you lose or forget these credentials, you'll need to reset your password. If you've already created additional admin users, you can simply ask one of them to reset the password from the Teams page, just like you would for any other user. If you're the only admin user, we've provided a script that allows you to reset the default administrator user password without needing to log into the web interface. Running the script is slightly different on a Kubernetes deployment, so we will run through the process for both a standard and a Kubernetes deployment in this video. The Reset Administrator Password script is located in your Burp Suite Enterprise Edition installation directory. To run the script, you will first need to open up a Linux terminal window or a command prompt if you're using Windows. Once open, change your working directory to Burp Suite Enterprise Edition's installation directory. In my case, this is /opt/burp_enterprise. Here you will see the Reset Administrator Password script. When running the script, you will need to specify the new password. For example, here I'm going to run the script and set the new password as super secret password. The command will then run and you will see the script update the database. It is worth noting that if for some reason no user with the name administrator exists, one will be created with the password specified. To reset your administrator password on a Kubernetes deployment, you will need to use kubectl. If you do not have kubectl installed, please consult your cloud provider's documentation. Firstly, you will need to find the name of your enterprise server pod. This should begin with bsce-enterprise-server-deployment, followed by a unique identifier. To find this, we're going to run kubectl -n bsce get pods. bsce is our namespace in this example, but you can choose to view all namespaces instead if you're unsure of the namespace in use. Here we can see our enterprise server pod. I'm going to copy the name ready for running the password reset script. We're going to run the reset admin password script using the kubectl exec command. Firstly, we're going to specify the namespace that the pod is in, then the name of our enterprise server pod. We're then going to specify the command we want to execute within the pod, which will be our reset administrator password script. We'll use -- followed by a space to separate this command from the kubectl arguments. Please note that the script is located in a different directory to a standard installation. So we're going to use /bin/reset administrator password, followed by our new password. Let's use another super secret password. The command will then run and you will see the script update the database. Again, if no user with the name administrator exists, one will be created with the password you specified. You will now be able to log into Burp Suite Enterprise Edition as normal, with the username administrator and the password you've just set.